It's been 3 days since the OLA S1 Pro Gen2 was towed, and I don't have any idea about its whereabouts because I didn't get a call back from the OLA service center team. Like it was towed on Thursday, today is Sunday, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, no update on the vehicle. I myself reached out to the OLA social media team on Twitter and also tried calling up the customer care twice. Even they didn't give me the proper details about the vehicle. During the call, I told them that I'll need a refund or an exchange of a new vehicle which doesn't have issues. I particularly told them I need a new vehicle which doesn't have issues. So yeah, so that's the update. And now let's cut the crap out and I'll just update what's happening in my farm. Just going inside. So we have 4 batches of chicks at the moment. So here we have 2 batches. This is one batch. This is about 10 days old. And these are about more than a month old now. Close to a month. So in this room there's one more batch. Let us go there. Oh, so this is the slightly bigger batch. You see them perching, right? So they are bigger in size also and also in the number of chicks. So you can see. So these are pure desi chicks, or what we call country chicken, right? In Kannada we call it Nati Koli. So these are Nati Koli Maris. And if you see there, right, those are the eldest chicks that we have. So let me go over there. These are the elder chicks. So what we feed them is ragi, maize, wheat. If you can see maize and wheat, ragi they have eaten it. So these are slightly less in number. They will be out very soon in the free range field. But as it's drizzling from the past few days, we thought it would be better to keep them a few more days inside. And once the sun is out, we'll let them outside, and on a daily basis they'll go out and come back. So outside we have all this hens and roosters. So you see this hen is laying egg. Let's see if it's already laid. It's not laid an egg, right? It's drizzling. So some hens have come for shelter and some are still roaming outside. So we have 5 sheep, 4 are female, 1 is male, the smaller one is male, and in this 3 are pregnant. So they should be delivering in the mid of January. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So these are the birds that we have. So these have come inside because of the rain. So after that they will go back inside. One more hen trying to lay an egg. That was an update regarding the OLA S1 Pro Gen2 and also about our farm. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Also, we are very close, very close to 5,000 subscribers. So please do subscribe if you haven't. Thanks and have a great day.